Yeah, like always, after about 1 year, it's time to replace the pool filter. You can see we are close to red, or actually even beyond red with the old filter. And so I've bought this Fil-fresh C900 pool filter cartridge. Okay, so let's take it out and see. First thing we want to see how much we can reduce the pressure. And second, of course, very important to see how the fit is regarding the size. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so that's the old filter. Now let's check this one here. What I really like here is that we have this structure here inside. I don't know exactly what it is for, but I'm using this to grab it easily. Much easier than holding it like that and maybe damaging the filter itself. So you can really easily hold it like that. At least when grabbing this, of course, put it back, we have to hold it like that. So let's center it and see. Okay, seems to have perfect fit. Let's put the lid back. This one. Okay, everything nicely secured. Of course, very loud here in the back because of the AC. I hope you can still understand me. And so we turn it on. Let's check from here. Always very important that you have your hand on the off button after you have replaced the pool filter, so you can stop it at any time if something goes wrong, but it looks like everything's okay. And close this. And now the moment of truth. Let's check this. I mean, this is not manipulated or so. This is just the real truth. And I hope you can see that. Wow. Pressure has been dropping almost 10 psi. So at least at the moment, absolutely amazing performance of this Fil-fresh C900 pool filter cartridge. Definitely no complaints so far from my side. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order also one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Fil-fresh pool filter, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.